Mustang Island is a coastal barrier island. It has 3,954 acres and a 5-mile beachfront on the Gulf of Mexico. It's south of Port Aransas, and it's actually in Corpus Christi. I was a little surprised as we were pulling in and saw the sign that said, "You are in Corpus Christi," so the city limits extend all the way out there. They offer primitive camping right on the beach. They even have some shelters out there for those types of campers. We were warned when we were there that it was not advisable to head out that direction, as we were expecting some high tides from a tropical storm. And they also have hookups that are closer to the bathrooms, where they can get 50 amp hookups. They don't have full hookup though, so you will have to make arrangements to empty out your black tanks. You can see where they got the 50 amps there, and then you've got your water hookup right behind it. You put two RVs right next to each other. So not the most appealing place to park or the way to park it, but I mean, if you really want to go to the beach, I guess this works for you. Got some dumpsters back there, and then you've got the bathrooms and showers right there at the end of this stretch. Got to push it in, and they had a whole bunch of outdoor showers, which is really neat. They had a refill for your bottle station. You have salt water and sand on you coming off the beach. So you come over here and rinse that salt water and sand off of you before your ride home. You have to what, push a button?
Yeah, I think you gotta push a button or touch something.
Because that one's still running. I want to say there was about 5 shower stalls in the men's room with plenty of bathroom stalls on the other side. Nice, big, spacious bathroom area.
Oh, that is so cool.
So before we jump back to the fun times we had directly on the beach, let's take a look real quick at the ferry in Port Aransas. This is a free transportation method to get out to the barrier island. The coastal barrier island. There's one of 2 that are operated by the Texas Department of Transportation, and as you can see, they're very well organized. They've got quite a few of these ferry boats running. Be prepared though, it was probably about an hour wait in traffic just to get on this boat. So we were very thankful we stopped and made a pit stop at HEB before we drove out and got in traffic to get on this ferry. But it was just a really neat thing to be able to experience and be able to take our kids on. I mean, it wasn't super long or anything, but they were like, hey, we're not crossing a bridge, we're riding a ferry.